From the inception of this world, there was two things that was placed amongst us, good and evil. We were given a choice to choose between the two. Some choose evil, some choose bad as might, some may call it, and some choose good. However, we were given that choice, and that choice depended on us, whether we go the wrong way or whether we'll go the right way. This is Links of Love 7 TV, Let's Talk, and we're about to continue with part 2 of our episode, in which we're about to discuss Zamar Andre Nelson, one of Maypen's most wanted individual that was taken out in Maypen, Clarendon. We're going to finish his brother's statement as it relates to what he believed led him down this path. You don't want to miss that coming up after this break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 7 TV, Let's Talk. Please remember, like, share, subscribe to our channel so you're notified whenever we post new videos. Well, the situation that took place in Maypen, Clarendon, Effortville to be exact, still rests on the minds of many. And it has just gone to show us that the situation that our country is faced with is a terrible one, and one that really needs to be dealt with ASAP. I can't come on here and rejoice about those 6 individuals that were taken out in Maypen and Clarendon. The reason being that the problem has not been solved by that. The problem is not been solved. There are many more out there that is treading on this similar path as these were. And when we look on what is going on around us with the rampant criminal activities that is taking place, it does go to show you that somewhere along the line, these individuals are falling astray. And until we can find that path to guide these individuals on that positive part and to let them look at life in a different manner, we're faced with a serious problem. These individuals, they were all young, age ranging from 18 to less than 30 years old. These could have been some doctors, some lawyers, some accountants, but in the end, they were not that. Something strayed them into resorting to criminal activities. And it's a very sad situation. And I know that they might have made many families hurt as well. And now their family is hurt based on what transpired with them. Choosing this life is not a good one. And I can only use my platform just to implore others out there that are doing the similar thing as these were. Just look in yourself and ask yourself this question: is it worth it at the end of the day? Right now, I'm just going to continue with the second part of the brother of Zamar Andre Nelson, one that was described as Maypen most wanted. We're going to continue with his statement as it relates to what transpired with his brother. Let's go over to that right now.
All me I say, the media wanna try to understand the situation. Yeah? Cause when him did there Jamaica, and we are trying to get help, everybody turn a blind eye. Respect to who try. Can you just imagine when I every scroll, I see my brother, I see the media, I see everybody a bash. If me not go YouTube, I look on my WhatsApp, I look on Facebook, I look all over. Six wanted man dead and that's it, and people just a cheer. What about 6 young youth? 23-year-old, 24-year-old. Try my best with him. Try my best. And I know good inside him. It's just that he gets sucked into the system. And at the end of the day, everybody gotta hold the responsibility. I'm not gonna take nothing from that. He make him decision. I could have been there if A lot of my fans them are there here right now will know me and know I's put in the hard work. What if I didn't have a birth certificate? What if I didn't have a passport and couldn't get for fly? And when my baby mother them call me and say, yo, your son or your daughter gotta get pampers or they gotta get this. The baby hungry. What me do? I could have get sucked in the system as well. I don't really want to see this on the media, but it was make it look like, you know, he was a beast. It was never like that. If any one of the law enforcement were there on the scene, you understand, were help shoot and kill him, could tell you, say, before he was a good youth. You understand what I tell you? Because a lot of people will even message. You know much of my friend them were in the force message me and tell me, yo, Coach, my condolence. Me even didn't know your little brother. And I don't blame them man. Them man doing their job. But people, what morals say? How much youth have got dead? How much 26-year-old and 20-year-old have got dead before we try? We try with them. When they cry out and need the help. Sometimes I ask myself, sometimes I get a pack of Pampers. Is this amount of money? And it's so hard. But make one of the youth them want a gun. It's the easiest thing to get. And I know a lot of people gonna see that video and got their own opinion. But let me tell you this. Who feels it, knows it. Who feels it, knows it. When a lot of people know me and know say Kush is an intelligent youth. But because he's an intelligent selector. Let me tell you something. My brother double. He's more intelligent than me. He got more subject. If we talk about the books, he got more subject than me. And when him there. All me have right now is just seeing him on the ground just lying out bleeding. Big up to the people who must send me the condolence. You understand? Even some of them teacher them message me this morning. Some of them teacher them message me this morning. The amount of them. I'm just try to stay strong. I got proof. It's not just I'm just saying this because I'm a brother. I want to know, listen.
Good morning, Babylina. You're in my prayers. You're and your brother. I love you. We love your brother. And we feel it just as much as you feel it. You are such a good soul. We know him from back then. Always manageable. Me always see him. Always see him out of the world in Father. Now less than call to me. Always. Well long in head. He not give no trouble Miss Williams and him gone. I love him, me feel it, my heart bleed, feel just like how you feel it. Me always talk about him. He could have do maths. That the boy had a maths brain. Oh God, me always remember how he could have do maths. Feel it for you. We prayed for you. We love you, love you, love you, love you, and love your brother just the same. Know your son too. Can we teach him a summer school, Korean Nelson. Cry if I want cry. Cry, cry, cry. I remember that with Christ on the vessel, you smile at the storm. You never did get for boy you did want to do for your brother, but you have a brother baby. So do as much for the baby as you can. The baby is still there as the memory. So do as much for the baby. We love.
So like I can't even listen to more of the voice now. And I got more message. I could dig up message from top of message from top of message, but it only make me feel. When I do this for views and likes. The people that know me, when know my platform. I just don't like what the media, how it look right now, how it sound right now. Now, I seen they publish something now, like they want to forget them, like, you know, my brother is a raper too. I'm gonna come better than that, champ. I tell you no, I'm gonna come better than that. If you don't want, if you make it look like he's this of a bad person, who feels it, knows it. And who know him, know he's just another ghetto youth, just get sucked in the system. But my thing is, a lot of youths out there, we're in the same place where he been. What we gonna do? Wait till the next 6 dead? We put it on the media and say, yeah, good. The police officer, them do a good job. Remember, you know, I tell them I not bash no police officer, you know, because they just doing what they train. They're doing their job. But what about the soldiers them, where it's not for the law? We just try to survive. Where no matter what they try, it's just that they can't get certain things. If my brother was a man we got too much subject and it was so hard for him, imagine the youth them we don't got none, we ain't got no subject. But then in Jamaica, I play my music and it's never easy. And I had to move from Jamaica. Because one thing I know, every elevation requires separation. And I love my place. That's why when I go up on the stage or anywhere in the world I go, the capital for Jamaica is Kingston. And I never say Bobby Kush from Kingston, Jamaica. I stand up on my place and say Clarendon, Jamaica. Because that is what I represent. I know when I used to go to school, I used to have my little girlfriend and, you know, the father never like it because why? The place where I come from. The stigma. You understand what I say? It was never, people have it like, you know, farm. Once you come from police stop you, poop, poop. Good afternoon, where you come from? You know, I come from XYZ. Alright, go along your way. Where you come from? Farm. Alright, go up in the back of the vehicle. Was never easy. Just for living at the place, and when you look, it there on your documents. It never easy. You know how much time I travel to the airport, and when they look on my passport, Effortville. Hey, come, pull on your bag, search. Because they make the place as a bad place. And now we're not bad. Because if the system going at the ghetto, the Effortville, the same buzz rock what we know, and deconstruct and pull down and build up some different thing, put in some factories, and you would start make money and drive big vehicle, you're not going to become the ghetto no more. So nothing wrong with Effortville. It's just how hard it is to survive when you're in a survival mode. It's never easy. As I tell you, who feels it knows it. Now, them say, he's wanted man and this and that and he's a beast. Good. Now there we know the struggle, the farm, the Buckner, the Canaanites, you understand? So much place, the Jack Monday. Certain place, they make it look like it's the place is a bad place. A lot of people where they here know the struggle when I talk about. Once you come from certain, it's like you're going to get a job at the supermarket. Where you come from? When you look on your resume, where you come from? Farm, Effortville. No, we have no vacancy for you. Because your place where you come from is a bad place. So you is a bad man. That's why I'm telling you, anyone I go in the world I represent for my place. I want to show them. Imagine me just put on my roof for my studio. Because I know my brother is a man like always just like sing music. I say, bro, just hold it up, bro, God. Just hold it. Me I try my best to get you out of that place. Because I know all you need is just a chance. All you ever wanted is just a chance. It's like I run out of time. A lot of people just say, yeah, my condolence because you don't know. And I respect it. But you don't move the pain. It doesn't change the fact that say another girl I go grow up without knowing the father. My daughter gonna grow up knowing the uncle. My two sons them were in the house. One is 8 years old, one is 5 years old. The last memory they have of the uncle is seeing him lie down but bleeding. Or 2 o'clock in the morning, 1 o'clock in the morning, they hear helicopter and I hear ta 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 ta. I would walk past my house if me see it right now. The condition we're in. I wouldn't even know it's my house. Toy shoot up. Where my father there now? I can't even hear from him. Me they overseas. He just they lock up. Nobody not tell me nothing. What happened? Nothing. Nobody. I ain't know nothing. All me seen at the media is that say 6 bad man dead. No, we never born bad. From morning, I try to call my mother. She ain't even taking a phone call till she feel depressed. I just gotta call my family them one to tell them, hey, you know, keep it up. I need fear, keep it up too. Just my friends them just stay by my side and family member just stay by my side. Never easy, people. It never easy upon him. That I know for a fact. And it never easy. The reason why I know, because I try to get him out of the system. But no matter what, no, like the more I try pull him the system and pull him back is a tug and war. Now, I might, you know, yeah, coach, try to stay positive. My friend them tap me on the shoulder and say, brother, just hold it up. But when I go so boom, I take up my phone and I go up on YouTube. Vloggers talking a set of things where they don't know. What were morals there? Eh? Alright, good. 6 youth dead. How much God dead for we do something? How much more God dead? How much more mother God cry like my mother right now? How much brother God in the do this for me I don't know. How much? How much baby God there? Fatherless. Uncle-less. Brotherless. And my family alone I'm 6. And it could have been more. Because my 2 sons, they're in the house, just a baby, I have to find counseling for them now. My father just lose his son. Get locked up. My mother, only God is know what she's doing right now. The pain. It's me feeling so much pain inside. Imagine what she feel for fear one or the other mothers them feeling. They gone. My brother gone. Like he just rest in peace, no? Yeah. I will just rest in peace. That's all me I say. And much respect to all of the people who are telling me, you know, my condolence, and I appreciate it. But pain still there with him. Who feels it knows it. How much mother gon' wanna wait pan for talk up? Wanna wait till in a situation like me? Eh? Brothers and sisters, neighbors, what we are trying to do? I hear so much people talking so much thing. Oh, Terminator boy, I hear a vlogger even talking, yo, where you get a name Terminator boy? Them a young boy like they watching too much movie. No, him father named Terminator, so it's Terminator boy, it's Terminator son. People. My brother gone, and all I'm subject them when I'm having a head, just gone down the drain. Moral of the story. Mr. Prime Minister, let we try to do better now. Let we try to do better now. Let we try to do better for the ghetto. Because most of the talent them in the ghetto. A lot of youth come from the ghetto. But when they reach the Olympics and them are run and represent the country, there's not ghetto no more because them are represent the country. Check 90% of the artists them in a Jamaica, where they come from, in the ghetto. So let us focus more on the ghetto now and try to help the ghetto youths them where you feel the pain, where you feel the pressure. Let me try. My little sister just graduated. Congrats. But now she got mourn. I don't know how this is going to affect she going into a new beginning. Try to excel. I don't know how this is going to affect. I don't know how this is going to affect my two sons. That was even because if I'm how much miles away and this thing affect me so much. Imagine them where they're dead in the house. It's never easy. So, I'm talking to you, Mr. Prime Minister. I'm not try to make you feel bad or try to disrespect you. Instead of we invest so much money. Instead of we invest so much money and get the guns them, the top of the line guns and get the law enforcement them for protect and serve. Why we don't try to protect the talent them when they ghetto and try to build some trade and give them. Build some factory. The youth them we are dead off for the talent them. My brother could have done a bank of work. But it was never easy. Because you know why? He come from Buzzrock Farm. One of the baddest places in Jamaica. Buzzrock Farm never do nothing to nobody. But he just have a stigma. It's a bad man place. I know about going to events and playing. And when me reach and try to get a taxi because I couldn't afford to get my own drive or buy my own car. Yo, Bobby Kush, come in. Where you going? Going home, brother. Farm. Me ain't walking. Me not go there so. Hey, mommy, this is my boyfriend. Yeah, he cute. He look like a nice guy. Where him come from? Farm. No. You can't be a boyfriend. You can't have nothing to do with him. Just because what? Hey, good afternoon, sir. Where you coming from? Where you live? You know, Buzzrock, Effortville, go up in the back of the vehicle. We gotta carry you, go process you. I know what it feel like. That's why I gotta come and I gotta talk. Big up to the mother them. We have a son and we live in the ghetto. I don't like what the media saying. My brother was never a beast. Oh no, don't get me wrong. Yes, you can put up the picture them where you seen in the station where he was a wanted man. He was wanted by the system. And you know what got him like that? The same system. We put a lock, we put the chain. It's like we're free. Mentally we ain't free. So because we ain't free mentally, physically we're still in a chain. Brother, rest in peace. If y'all are youth them, rest in peace. Never get to tell you as much, but just know me love you, bro. Just know me love you, bro. I promise you, your daughter, which is now my daughter, I gotta step up. I don't even know how my brother, baby mother doing. Because I can't hear nothing. Everything mash up. Phone mash up. This it's like, I don't know. I don't know what go on. My brother dead. I don't know what go on with him daughter. People who just, all me ask you know, you just help me share that video and make it reach to where it's supposed to reach. Because I realize if I was one of the youth them come out on social media and tie up my face and talk something, hey, let us start a rebel, let us start a war. Because they kill my brother, so let us fight back. If I was on social media and come up and tie up my face with a gun and thing, I guarantee I would get more than 1 million views. And a couple minutes, the law would find me. So sometimes it's just we mind people. Now I'm trying to get the message out. Me alone can't do it. So who understand what I'm feeling? We have a brother in the ghetto. But want to even see better. You don't even have to understand the ghetto. But you're tired for go lock up your door and can't leave your car window open. You tired, right? Let me help. All of the business owners them, we're tired for you get the shop this and the shop that. You want a better? Don't turn a blind eye. Why we all turn a blind eye? And then when the same youth them dead now, we give it the law a round of applause. Good job. What happened is life. Another mother crying regardless of what. Regardless of what. Me tell you, who feels it, knows it. I'm telling you, who feels it. A lot of people won't even understand. Just hurt me heart. The newspaper and the media, a lot of people just scroll. And a lot of people are going to see, yeah, there was wanted men and there was this and there was that. But to me, he was my brother. Now, when I don't see what go on in the world right now, my brother dead and I doubt if I can't even get a flight to leave the country where I'm there. Because of the COVID-19, just to see my brother rest in peace. I must know if I can't get that. A whole pandemic, DJ and I earn no money, but I gotta find it. What about my two little son, where if they don't understand, all they seen, I was talking with my little son. And every time when career day come up, you know what a man tell me? That he is a soldier. as a soldier. I want to be a soldier. But what about when it 1 o'clock in the night when he might hear a set a gunshot, and when he wake up, and if he see what I go on, all he see is soldier shooting after him uncle. What I go think? You feel him I go want to be a soldier? No more? A soldier will just kill him uncle? But they don't understand them thing. So whenever you're in the ghetto, whether no matter what circumstances, it's never easy. That's all I'm saying. It's never easy. The opportunity is never, ever, ever, ever easy. I could have been there, lie down on the ground dead. Because you know what? I don't go nowhere without my brother. And right through the process, I was always there for him. But you know what? Sometimes I have to elevate so much that in order for me to elevate, I have to separate. And I had to just leave Jamaica. Because I have my family to take care of. I always saying, bro, just hold for me. I go foreign, try to get her. You know, there's an opportunity just to get you out, bro. Now, my little muckle, what I make, I have to go take, put towards. My little muckle where I make now, I have to go put towards to try to bury him. When who don't have to say, bro, see a plane ticket you like, you know, just look on life different.
Well, there you have it from one of the brother of one of the victims that was taken out in that serious incident in Effortville in Mapen, Clarendon. He giving his account of what led his brother down this path. He states that the system got the better of him. The system, in a sense, that he resorted to criminal activities. He had a number of subjects, and it's still very much unclear what really led him down this path of criminality. There were 6 of them that were at that house, and the police see some high-powered rifles, and I can tell you that those weapons, there were some serious weapons that were found there, along with a number of ammunition. But he states that his brother did not have an ID, his brother did not have a passport, his brother did not have a birth certificate. That couldn't have been what led him down that path of criminality. There must have been something more that triggered his instinct in a want to venture in on that path. I'm not here to bash you. I'm maintaining a calm composure while doing this. However, he was an individual that was wanted by the police. And when you look on his rap sheet, he was wanted for murder. What transpired in that case that led him to commit a murder? He would have made a family weep over their loved one. And now look what happened to him in the end. I know it's your brother, and I can say that I know that I see it, that you feel it immensely. And I know it's going to be a difficult time for you, especially when you tried your best in order to help him. However, I cannot agree with you when you said the system failed him. I believe that he failed himself. And I know that you might have tried on numerous occasions to reach out to him, but guess what? At the end of the day, you can do so much and no more for an individual. At the end of the day, it's up to them. They decide their destiny. They made that choice, and they made that choice to resort to what they did. I'm not going to say it's a bed of roses out there, because I've been there and I've done it. I know what it's like. Whenever a situation reaches you and you don't have the money or you don't have the financial stability in order to get you where you want to be, things start to come in your head. But you have to keep that mindset and know that that's not the way to go. Many more out there, they're watching and they're looking in and they're looking out, trying to see which way to go. However, they have to find that path, and that path that will lead them in a positive direction Resorting to negative activities or involving in criminal activities will not get them anywhere. We have seen it played out. A number of individuals over the past years right now have been taken out in a similar fashion just because they resort to this. This individual, he could have turned his life around. It was not too late. He had it in him to do it. However, he failed in the attempt to get it done. I can just imagine how his mother is feeling at this point in time. I know it's a difficult time for all the other family members of the others, because I know that some of them must have tried immensely to reach out to them in so many different form, way, and shape. However, they opt not to listen, and they venture on this path that brought them to the end of their life. It's a sad situation, and taking out these 6 will not solve our problem. The problem lies there still, and just waiting to unravel once more in a different era, a different parish, a different community, until we find something that engage these youths and find some stability in the country that will let them apart, that they resort to thinking differently. We have a real serious problem on our hands. And what played out in Maple and Clarendon is evident of that our youths are falling along the wayside. They are going down the wrong path. And until we find that right path, where we will forever have this problem, we will forever have this problem to deal with. This has been Links to Blood 7 TV. Let's talk. Drop it in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed and productive day. I have nothing more to say.